India sells 4.25 million new cars globally, surpassing Japan to take third place. According to SIAM research, India's sales volume is anticipated to rise even more with the inclusion of upcoming commercial vehicle sales data for the fourth quarter and year-end numbers from Tata Motors and other automakers. India has surpassed Japan to take over as the world's third largest auto market. The nation outsold Japan's 4.2 million new car sales in 2022 with at least 4.25 million sold. The Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, SIAM, estimates that 4.13 million new automobiles were delivered in India between January and November of 2022. According to news agency ANI, the amount increased to nearly 4.25 million vehicles when Maruti Suzuki, the largest automaker in India, revealed the sales figures for December on January 1st of this year. In contrast, Japan sold 4.20 million vehicles in 2018, a 5.6% decrease from 2021. According to SIAM research, the country's sales volume is anticipated to rise even more once Tata Motors and other automakers reveal their year-end results and the pending commercial vehicle sales data for the fourth quarter. China dominated the global car market in 2021 with 26.27 million vehicles sold, followed by the US with 15.4 million and Japan with 4.44 million. According to Nikkei Asia, the Indian auto market has fluctuated recently. Sales of automobiles fell below 4 million units in 2019, partly as a result of the credit crunch that plagued the non-bank sector that year. In 2018, approximately 4.4 million vehicles were sold. 2020 saw a significant decline in vehicle sales in India below the 3 million mark as a result of the COVID-19 outbreak and the ensuing shutdown. India had a rebound in automobile sales in 2021, selling close to 4 million units. However, the absence of automotive chips hindered progress. In 2022, petrol-powered vehicles, including hybrids, made up the majority of new car sales in India, Nikkei Asia reported, adding that electric vehicles, EVs, hardly have a presence. Also, the automotive chip crisis began to ease last year, which served as a launchpad for a comeback. Apart from Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors and other Indian automakers saw sales grow during last year. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Ensure to subscribe Learn Ongo.